I found a love for me. Oh, darling, just dive right in. I follow my lead.
Today we are using this Cube 3D printer to print a very interesting children's DIY sets. First, let's print a model of a house box using Goofoo's Plus model. Plus can print models with a volume of 360 for 100 millimeters. We open the house box and see what there are many cute and small furniture. These cute little furniture pieces are all printed from the cube. Not only we can print these small models through Wi-Fi connection, but also transfer them to Cube for printing through computer modeling. After connecting to Cube via mobile phone, you can search for your favorite models and print them in the app, which is really simple and fast. After printing all the small models, we will place them in the house. We can fix the bottom of the small furniture with double-sided tape to prevent it from moving and falling off. Okay, we have successfully arranged all these small furniture items. Of course, we can continue to print some small furniture and explore more models with the children. Whether at home or at school, owning this cute children's printer adds endless fun to life. That's all for this episode. If you're interested in this cube, please feel free to inquire and comment. At the same time, please follow us for a different experience of 3D printing.